forms have an impact that's not reducible on their parts. So we talked earlier about the cell, for instance. We want to say that the form of the cell, the structure, all of the metabolic pathways that interlock together constrain what's lower in a way that's not reducible to what's lower. So that's an example of a substantial form, meaning that you have a substance, you have a new thing. You have a new entity in like the cell that you wouldn't have without the form. Because there are some things that you really can understand with just their parts. So if you take a chair, for instance, it's not that complicated. Like you can analyze them physically with just a few force vectors, and you can understand how the chair works based on its parts, and you can calculate how much force it's gonna be able to support. There's all kinds of things you can predict on the chair just knowing its parts, and it looks like you have everything. It doesn't look like you're missing everything. So that's not a substantial form. Like the form of the chair is not irreducible. Like you can know the form of the chair based on its parts, but that's not true for a cell. The chair is shaped by an accidental form, whereas a cell is shaped by an essential form.